5507 Laverne update video. Looks like they got all the painting done, so we'll get in here next week and finish everything else up. We got some work to do out here, as you can see, but they got all the painting done and all that finished. You can see that's nice, but you can see what all the ceilings, plugs, switches are mostly all in, but all the painting is done here. So it really came out nice, as you can see. So we'll come in and get the floors done. You can see here where they put in the new plugs and switches. We like to do that so we don't have a problem with them earlier, because anything that's cheap that we can put in is low maintenance for you, and we don't have any extra cost that way. But this is coming out really nice. So here's the one bedroom. You can see it's all painted, plugs and switches and lights are in. And we should have this one done next week. I'm gonna really push to get this one done next week. It's really coming out good. And I believe, I'll check, but I think the plumber came out too and did all the snaking, but I'll double check all that. So there's that. Here's all that. All right, so all painted. We're just getting it all put together. This is pretty exciting, and we're gonna get this one done, get it leased for you. This will be your third property. The other two are already leased, as you know. So let's go down to the basement. He was scraping all that paint off the ceiling there. Getting that painted. So you can see all that's done. Wow, it looks good. We're gonna be putting a dehumidifier down here, but you can see all the chips are gone. It looks great on this side too. So we got all that done. The basement's done. This is all painted. It looks really good in here. So next week I hope to get you the final pictures and video. Thanks, and have a great day.